Oh my goodness, we've been recording for a long time, thinking we were recording, but we weren't. And this is Lucy's first full day at home, and she's playing. Where's her ball? I can't believe that. This is like
she was in the plant that Mom
she was in the plant.
Back
yeah.
And couldn't get out.
Yeah.
She likes the sloth thing a lot.
The sloth thing, yeah.
Like somebody sent this to you,
So it's Happy Meal, yep. And then the ball, we've got
this and the ball is probably your favorite toy.
Where's your ball? Where's your ball? No, you're not. You're probably.
Let's see. Lucy, what is this?
What is that? What is that? What is that? Is that your sloth?
Well, she's supposed to be a little bit lazy today. It doesn't seem like it, but
no.
I will be. I think it seems like yesterday she was more energetic, even though she's still super energetic. Do you like this? Desi loves this.
Yeah, Desi loves that.
I think she needs to be a little bit bigger. Like, no, she likes it. Holy crap. I think this one's
Uh-oh.
She's going over on me.
Go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
Lucy.
Come on. Bring it over.
You had to get out of the plants.
Bring him over here. Get your balls. Come on. Where are you? Come over here.
She can't grab it with her mouth.
Come over here.
Lucy, what is this?
Ah, there you go. Come over here. Silly. Silly.
What's the other one of these we have, Mom? What shape is it? We have another one.
Yeah, I forget what it is.
I forget what it was too. I don't know how we forget.
I thought it was small when I bought it for Desi, and I was like, oh my gosh, but then Desi loves it. Oh, there you go. And she just jumped over. Second bark.
Last video,
yeah, she had her first bark.
Yeah, she had her first bark.
Now she's listening. Now she's listening to Jimmy opening a trash bag.
We didn't take the first bark.
Come on. Come on.
But we got the second bark.
Second bark.
Oh no.
It's almost as good as the first.
Wait, which one do I pick?
Get it. Go get it.
I don't care.
Go get it.
Yes, you got your sloth? Oh, ow, not me.
Here, look. Look. Here's your guitar. Go get it.
Go get it.
Go get it.
No. No? No sloth? No sloth?
What was that?
Hello, Lucy. Oh no. It's for yours one. Lucy. Lucy.